everybody, quick little how-to video here. How to use the line lock in your 2019 Mustang. First things first, fire it up. Wait for everything to start up. Hit your pony on the steering wheel. Come up to your track apps. Hit OK. You can scroll up and down, go to line lock. We'll put it in gear so you can basically follow the prompts. Hold to initialize the line lock. Hold OK on your steering wheel. You can see it comes up. Press firmly on the brake. You have to mash it to the floor in order for it to pick this up. Push OK, and you're in there. You can hear it engage. Get a 14-second countdown, or 15 seconds I guess. When you're ready to go, roll out of your burnout, hit OK again, releases it. Away you go. Go back one more time. Track apps, line lock. The one thing, when you're rolling up, what'll screw you up, you have to hold it for the first section. You can drive around for this part, won't wreck anything, but if you just push OK, cancels you out. So when you're rolling up to the tree, ready to do your burnout, you gotta hold it for the first one. I've done it, other people have done it. You get nervous, you just hit OK, cancels you out. Gotta go through the whole thing again. You look like an idiot waiting up there. Basically, hold it, you get the wheel. Come up with the red, so you know you're ready to go. Push firmly on the brake. You can hear it and see it when you hit OK now. Pushes back at you and makes that weird noise. Now you let go, you're held in place. Get your countdown. Burnout's done. Hit OK. Line lock released. Can start rolling. Away you go. The other thing, one more last thing, we'll go back one more time. Line lock, when you engage it, you can see there, traction control comes off, so your car doesn't freak out when you're doing a burnout. It won't try to slow you down or prevent you from doing a proper burnout. Just be careful. One tip when you're doing it, I've done this a couple weeks ago, if you go too high in the RPM, car freaks out, it'll put you in limp mode, and then you're stuck basically driving a 4-cylinder around your EcoBoost until you either go to the Ford dealer, or what I found is by the time I got home, everything was closed. But if you start the car a few times, the computer realizes it's not actually broken, and it'll take you back out of limp mode, and you can be back to normal. But if it happens, I still recommend bringing it in, just to make sure you didn't actually break anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Basically, pony, track apps, hit OK, line lock, hold it, wait till your wheel pops up with the red bar, mash the pedal to the floor, hit OK, you can hear it count down to your burnout, OK again, release, away you go down the strip, and see what quarter-mile times you can get. So hopefully this helped out somebody. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Once we get enough subscribers, we'll show you what it looks like on the outside for 14 seconds.